Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use multiple cameras in Instagram Live. There is some conditions, guys. There are some requirements. You need first to upgrade your profile into a professional account, and you need to access Live Producer. Alright, the live producer, you can go just from here, create, and then go into live video. And yeah, as I told you, you need to obtain your unique RTMP or URL and stream key. The other thing, guys, you need to have one of these apps, even XSplit or OBS or Streamlabs, so you can use more than one camera. So the cameras, it depends on what you have. If you have two phones and the camera of your laptop, or another camera that you can use with USB, you can use it also, and then you need to link them with the one of these apps or programs. And yeah, you will once you will go into live video, and yeah, you need to add the title, for example, and then you need to choose the audience that you want to be on your live, for example public. And once you tap on next, yeah, you will be on a multiple camera with different angles. Anyways, that's so simple and that's so easy. Be sure that you will have one of these apps or programs downloaded on your PC. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.